What is an AI agent framework? An AI agent framework is a software toolkit or library that helps you build, manage, and run intelligent agents programs that can perceive data, reason, take actions, and improve over time. Think of it like this. In traditional software, you write explicit instructions. If X happens, do Y. In an AI agent, you create a system that can observe, decide, and act on its own. It might decide, given this data, my goal, and these tools, I'll try this approach. An AI agent framework provides the plumbing and building blocks to design such autonomous or semi-autonomous systems. What does an AI agent framework usually include? Decision-making loops, logic to plan, decide next steps, and adapt based on feedback like using React, Qt, or graph policies. Tool orchestration, the ability to call external tools databases, APIs, web scrapers, or even run SQL queries. Memory and context, so the agent remembers past interactions, data, or prior actions. Observability and safety, logs, tracing, and guardrails to monitor what your agent is doing, catch errors, and prevent misuse. Integrations, connect with vector databases, ELMs like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and downstream applications. Here are 7 leading AI agent frameworks powering ML workflows in 2025, each bringing unique strengths to build intelligent, autonomous systems. 1. LangChain, ideal for developers crafting custom Elm-powered pipelines. Highlights: modular chaining of prompts, tools, memory, and Elm's OpenAI, Anthropic, Hugging Face. Why it matters: offers RAG, vector DB integration, agent loops React, and a massive ecosystem perfect for document retrieval, chatbots, and beyond. 2. LangGraph, ideal for complex, stateful workflows with branching logic. Highlights: graph-based orchestration nodes represent actions. Edges define flow, including retries, conditionals, and pauses. Edge, visual debugging, determinism, and enterprise-grade observability. 3. AutoGen, Microsoft, ideal for multi-agent conversational coordination and code automation. Highlights: role-based agents planner, coder, viewer communicate via Elm-based chat, includes debugging, retry logic, and an agent studio UI. Why it's powerful: built for scalable conversation-first automations on Azure, valuable for enterprise deployments. 4. CrowEye, ideal for role-based AI teams executing structured pipelines. Highlights: define agents with specific roles: researcher, critic, executor, manage inter-agent messaging, memory, and delegation workflows. Strength: great for collaborative content generation, data analysis, or review pipelines. 5. SuperAI, ideal for persistent, production-grade agent systems. Highlights: web UI dashboard, telemetry, scheduling, memory stores, Chroma, Pinecone, tool, or plugin marketplace. Why it stands out: out-of-the-box runtime monitoring for autonomous agents, solid for ops-heavy environments. 6. OpenAI Agents SDK, ideal for lightweight, traceable multi-agent workflows with guardrails. Highlights: Python first, provider agnostic, 100+ Elms, integrated tracing or debugging, built-in safety controls. Advantage: low barrier to entry while maintaining robust monitoring and control. 7. Visual no-code frameworks, N8N, Flowis, LangFlow, ideal for quick prototyping and citizen developers. Highlights: N8N node-based automation with 700+ integrations, Slack, Gmail, Notion. Flowis, LangFlow, drag-and-drop builders built on LangChain, enabling toolchain, memory, and graph flows. Why they matter: enable rapid experimentation and cross-functional collaboration without coding. Why are AI agent frameworks popular in 2025? Because the future of AI isn't just about answering prompts, it's about agents that can plan multi-step tasks on their own. For example, analyze a dataset, generate a report, email it out, coordinate with other agents, like a team of virtual specialists, Handle dynamic workflows, responding intelligently when data or conditions change. Frameworks like LangChain, AutoGen, Krawai, Superaji, and OpenAI's Agents SDK let developers and even non-coders, via visual tools like LangFlow, easily build these sophisticated pipelines, memory, and planning to autonomously complete complex tasks. The simplest way to put it, an AI agent framework is your toolkit for building smart, decision-making programs that can use AI models like GPT-plus tools. With an AI agent framework, you define your goal, tools, memory, and it handles calling GPT, deciding next steps, and running workflows automatically. Short example, without a framework, you keep calling GPT-4 in a loop, writing all orchestration by hand.